Hello foodies, welcome to Svedanika the Kitchen. Today's video is about a delicious rice recipe prepared with a versatile vegetable zucchini. This one-pot meal is rich in nutrients and easy to prepare. If you are looking for something different for lunchbox, zucchini pulao is unmissable. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Without wasting time, let's get into our video. Zucchini is a summer squash, widely available across the globe these days. Zucchini has a delicate flavor and requires little more than quick cooking. Today we are making pulao with this versatile vegetable, zucchini. Cut the edges of zucchini. Today I am using this cone grater. It has different blades on 4 sides. We use this large holes blade to grate zucchini. Unlike other vegetables, for making pulao, we need to shred this vegetable. If we use chopped zucchini in pulao, they become too soft and gets mushy just like bottle gourd or ridge gourd. We can have soft mushy pieces in curries or khichdi but not in pulaus. Grating is done. Look at this shredded zucchini. This quantity is perfect for 2 cups rice. To make pulao, we use whole garam masala, bay leaves, shahi jeera, cloves, stone flower, star anise, cinnamon stick, peppercorns, cardamoms and fennel seeds. To make the pulao base, we need thinly sliced onion, finely chopped mint leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves, slit green chilies and ginger garlic paste. 2 cups basmati rice is washed and soaked. Soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. Before starting prep work, soak it. By the time you add rice, it will be soaked. Apart from these, we need cooking oil and regular spices. Turn on Instant Pot on saute mode. Once the inner pot is hot, add 3 to 4 tablespoons cooking oil. Since the pot is hot, oil heats up quickly. Now add whole garam masala in the oil. Saute masalas in oil once to release their flavor in oil. Now add slit green chilies. Here I am taking 6 to 7 Thai chilies. Adjust according to your spice level. Now add 1 cup thinly sliced onion. Saute onion along with whole garam masala. Let the onions cook until they turn transparent and light brown. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Saute until raw smell is gone and ginger garlic paste is cooked. Now add half cup finely chopped mint leaves. Saute so that mint flavor is released and pulao becomes flavorful. At this point you can add cashews, that is optional. Now add shredded zucchini to the pulao base. Saute such that zucchini is mixed well with onion and masalas. Now add salt as per your taste. Half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric and 1 tablespoon garam masala. Mix well such that all spices are blended in with zucchini. Zucchini started leaving water. Now add half cup finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Add 3 cups water for 2 cups soaked basmati rice. Taste the water. It should taste salty. If not, season it with salt. Now add soaked basmati rice. Here you can use regular Sona Masuri rice or any other rice, but adjust water according to the rice type. Mix well but carefully. Don't overmix since the rice is soaked, it may break. You can prepare this in regular pressure cooker too, with 2 whistles. Now close the lid of Instant Pot and set the pressure valve to ceiling. Turn off saute mode and turn on steam mode. See, when you turn on steam mode, it should be on high pressure and more settings like this. Set timer for 7 minutes. Once the timer is off, wait until pressure is released naturally. Now pressure is released. Let's open the lid. Look at the perfectly cooked pulao. Kids can't find any vegetable to keep it aside while eating. Shredded zucchini is blended in rice after cooking. This makes a perfect lunchbox recipe or quick dinner. You can enjoy this pulao as it is or serve with raita. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do try this yummy pulao and let us know your feedback in the comment section. Please share this video with your friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks for watching.